and I are here at Favorite Farms.
My favorite.
His favorite. We're doing strawberry picking.
For the very first time for me.
And I did it a long, long time ago. So we're very excited.
It's pretty awesome.
Look at the huge field.
It's pretty ginormous.
All the way over there. And then there's even more all the way over there to those houses.
We're
pretty
preparing
cool.
for the vineyards of Sonoma with the vineyards of Florida. The strawberry vineyards. Yeah, this is awesome. You pick a strawberry?
Jordan already picked a strawberry, see?
I did.
So now it's, wait, back up.
They're $1 for 2 quarts. 2 of these things are $1. It's ridiculous.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna do my first picking. Jordan's
Here,
gonna take me.
Here she goes. Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Yay!